This Week in AI, filtered for people who would rather not attend the conference, had a theme. The loud version is that agents are getting more capable. The quiet version is better. Agents are starting to remember, file, promote, route, and prepare work before another human has to be pulled into the loop. That matters because most solo work does not collapse from lack of ideas. It collapses from coordination drag. The follow-up, the receipt, the launch post, the project context. The meeting where someone asks what changed since last time. The real product category is not chatbot. It is social friction removal disguised as software. This means fewer resets and fewer check-ins. Let's look at the first signal that caught my eye this week. Receiptor AI. First signal, Receiptor A. I launched agent mode on Product Hunt. It is an agentic bookkeeping assistant. It collects receipts from inboxes, mobile uploads, and WhatsApp, and organizes them in cloud software. It matches them to bank transactions and only asks when it needs context. Introvert translation. The accountant relationship gets quieter. You still need judgment, taxes, and clean books. But the humiliating pre-work can move into the background. Action item. If you freelance or run a tiny company, automate receipt capture before July starts. Do not wait for panic to become the workflow. Future you deserves books that do not require apology energy. It's about creating systems that work for you, not the other way around. Quiet progress. Second signal. Spira showed up as social media growth agents for Product Hunt makers. You drop in a launch link, it reads the brand, builds brand DNA, and creates a content strategy. It queues posts for approval across TikTok, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn. Marketing automation without the hype. The obvious take is marketing automation. The introvert take is self-promotion without the daily performance. Launch day usually rewards the person who can keep talking. Spira says the system can keep talking for you. Action item. If you are shipping something, separate voice from posting. Write the taste rules once. Then let agents draft the awkward repetition. You can still have standards without the tap dance. You do not have to personally tap dance for the algorithm every 3 hours. Let the system do the work. This is about maintaining your standards while offloading the repetitive effort. Next up, project memory. Third signal, PMB launched persistent project memory for AI coding agents. It's built for developers. It gives Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and Zed an MCP memory layer backed by local SQLite. It stores decisions, lessons, goals, and project facts on disk, with no cloud and no API keys. There's no LLM call on the read path. This is not glamorous. It is better than glamorous. It's efficient. Every coding agent session starts with the same social tax. Here is the repo, here is what we tried. PMB turns that repetition into infrastructure. It remembers so you don't have to explain again. Action item. Write down decisions as project memory, especially the boring ones. Future you is forgetful. The best memory system is not the smartest one. It is the one your tools actually read. Local and persistent. This is the quiet layer that makes agentic work sustainable. No more redundant context setting. Fourth signal, AI engineer. World's Fair opened in San Francisco today. The side events are revealing. Retrieval for agents, agent harnesses, model independence, token offload, agent auth. It's all about plumbing. Production orchestration, security in the AI era. The agent hype is finally turning into infrastructure. Even the conference has a workshop called Human Connection in the Age of AI. Very sweet, or a cry for help. Action item. When evaluating a new agent tool, ask 4 boring questions. Where does memory live? What can it access? When does it ask approval? How do I audit what happened? These are the real metrics. If those answers are vague, you do not have an assistant. You have a very confident intern with keys. Demand clarity on these points. Your operational security depends on it. Quiet but firm standards. The pattern is clear. Building quiet operational layers is the next competitive advantage. The signal is this. Introverts should stop chasing the loudest AI demo and build quiet operational layers. Receipt capture, launch content approval, project memory, agent permissions. These are the essentials. These remove the exact friction that makes independent work socially expensive. Efficiency over noise. You do not need AI to make you louder. You need AI to make fewer things require your voice. If you only do one thing this week, pick one recurring explanation you hate giving and turn it into a system. A folder, a memory database, a saved approval rule. Anything that means you never explain it from zero again. That is the unfair advantage. Fewer resets, fewer check-ins, fewer tiny performances. Quiet efficiency. More of the work happening quietly, before anyone asks. This is how we scale without the social tax. Building these layers is the ultimate introvert strategy in the age of AI. Stay quiet, stay effective. Follow for AI tools that do the talking, filing, remembering, and follow-up for you, so you can get back to the actual work that matters. The work that only you can do. See you in the next update. Keep it quiet, keep it moving. See you then. This has been the Weekly Signal. Good luck with your quiet operations this week.